let me say this, that today the left and the right are in a way meaningless, because the left was supposedly the progressive and open-minded and supposed to be forward looking, but the left no longer represents these values. The left no longer is about logic, rationalism, is no longer about being uh, detached from the parochial identities. In fact, they are promoting parochial identity like the Islamic identity, and they are reinforcing it in many ways. So what does really the left mean today? I would say that I would say that given the politics that they have chosen, given the allies that they have chosen, they are very, very regressive. They are no longer the force of liberalism. If you think about French Revolution, if you think about even Marxist revolution, these were forces, these were ideas which were against the regressive identities, which were against uh, the tyranny of religious oppression, for example, the religious conservatism, for example. And if you really look at the non-Muslim right today, whether it's in America or whether it's in India today, the right is talking about progress. The right is talking about liberalism. The right is talking about open markets and free markets. The right is talking about libertarianism. The right is talking about uh, even recognition of LGBT rights, which is completely an anathema, which is completely unacceptable to, say, Islamic conservatives. So what is left and what is right today? I don't think anybody can dictate these terms, and anybody can basically say that they are, the left cannot really claim that they are the champions of leftism. They cannot really claim that Hindu right is illiberal. I think, if you really look at policies, if you look at how all these groups have come to exercise their vision, then I would say that center right today is the liberal position. They are the ones who really espouse and who really implement the values that I was raised with. You and I, our generation was raised with the notion that nationalism is good. But in the last 30 years, because of the left ecosystem, because of their far left politics, because of their alliance with regressive forces like Islamic extremists, they have changed these concepts. They have made nationalism a taboo. They have made even liberalism a taboo. So I would say that center right is essentially liberalism. It's the left that has gone far left. It's a left that has become regressive. It's the left that has become dogmatic today as it was before the French Revolution. I wouldn't say that, center right is the I would say it is not a communal position. It is a position of rationale and logic, that live and let live. Let us have competition. Let us have free markets. Let's have open markets. Look at the way the opposition is behaving on the farm laws. The agitation that is going on in India right now, and it's an unnecessary agitation. It is meaningless, because if you look at the reforms, they are the reforms that that any liberal government should have brought. What I'm really saying is that liberalism, I would say, is different from the left and the right. And today, the center right position is the position of liberalism, not the center left, which, for a long time was being projected as the liberal position. And that is a completely wrong way of looking at these concepts, wrong way of addressing these issues. The center right is the liberal position. That's where the governance is happening in India today. That's where Indian democracy is flourishing. That is where that is where Indian foreign policy is able to make a change and able to assert itself, assert India as a strong and powerful nation.